So students, we are continuing now. Now I taught you how to find out two rational numbers between given two rational numbers. That is, I just told you, add the numerators, add the denominators, and whatever you get, numerator upon denominator is a rational number in between two rational numbers. Now, there is one more method to find out two rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. Now, say 5 by 7, say find two rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. What is the actual procedure? Actual procedure is 5 by 7. This is the method, okay? Actual method taking the LCM. 5 by 7. What I told you initially, add the 2 and the whatever is the answer, divide it by 2. Okay, you getting me? Now 5 by 7 plus 2 by 3. क्या करेंगे? LCM. Make the denominators equal. Multiply by 3. Here you multiply by 7. So I made the denominators equal to 21. My expression will be 5 3s are 15 upon 21 plus 14 upon 21 divided by again 2. This is equal to 15 plus 14 is 29 upon 21 divided by 2. Now something divided by 2 is these two will get multiplied. Okay. Now you must be wondering how. See, I'll show that to you. This divided by 2, I'll write it like this. Okay. That is equal to 29 by 21. This divided becomes multiply. This is 2 means 2 by 1 hai. Now it will become multiply means numerator, denominator ulta sulta ho jayega. This becomes 1 by 2. So that is equal to 29 by 42. So this is one rational number in between 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. So I can write like this: 5 by 7, comma 29 by 42, comma 2 by 3. Now I want to find one more because the question is find two rational numbers. So what do I do? Okay, I'll take it here now. This one, I'll take these two now. These two, I'll find a rational number in between these two. 29 by 42 plus 2 by 3 whole divided by 2. Now make the denominators equal. Again the LCM part. 3 14s are 42, 2 14s are. Once the denominators are equal, I can add the numerators. 29, this one, plus 14 2s are 28 upon 42 divided by 2. Okay. This 2 upon 2 को मैंने division sign by 2 किया. 20 20 40 40 10 50 57. Correct? Upon 42 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 57 upon 84. This is one more rational number which comes here. So my rational numbers are 5 by 7. In between 5 by 7 and 2 by 3, my two rational numbers are as follows: 29 by 42, first one, and the second one, 57 by 84. Understood? This is the actual LCM method of finding inserting two rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So this one question can come in your monthly test. Okay? So be prepared. What you should do is add the two rational numbers a upon b plus b upon c upon d, and then divide it by 2. That is the only procedure, only way how you can find a rational number in between two rational numbers. Now I'll show you how. See, alphabetically I put the variable a upon b is a rational number, c upon d is a rational number. The rational number here is a by b plus c by d, the whole divided by 2, or you can do it like this, divided by 2. This is what I do. So now I cannot add directly. What I do is I take the LCM, equalize the denominators, add it, make a fraction, and इधर का denominator को 2 से multiply करता है because this 2 becomes 1 by 2. Okay? Now next, Next part is, so now insert two rational numbers. You are very much clear. If at all you get a question, insert two rational numbers between two rational numbers, the only thing you have to do is take the LCM of the two, add those two by taking LCM and all, add होने के बाद divide the whole thing by 2. That will be your one rational number. Again take the rational number which you have found out now, newly found out rational number, plus the original one. Again find a rational number in between that. Anyone you can take. कौन सा भी दो. Now you have questions to find more than 4, 5, 8, 10 rational numbers between two rational numbers. In that case, these LCMs you will have to change the numbers as per requirement. I will show you how. Okay. Now the question is like this. Find out. This is the third method. Okay. First one is plotting on the number line. Second one is add the two rational numbers, divide by 2, then insert. Third one is this method. Find out 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay. Now how do I do? First thing, if you get a question like this, first thing what you have to do is equalize the denominators and keep. 3 by 5 is also equal to this 3 you multiply here. 5 3 is 15 into 3 into 3. So 3 by 5 is also equal to 9 by 15 because I am just multiplying 3 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. Similarly, 2 by 3 is also equal to how much? 5, right? Make it 15. Here I have 15. So here also I should get 15. Method पे ध्यान देना एकदम. Sorry, into 5. Make it 15. Here I multiplied by 3, here I multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. It is nothing but 10 by 15. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 is nothing but 9 by 15 and 10 by 15. It is the same. 3 by 5 is 9 by 15, 2 by 3 is 10 by 15. Now 9 by 15 and 10 by 15, I want to find how many rational numbers? Now listen carefully what I am telling. This is the shortcut I am giving you. I want to insert 5 rational numbers. I want to find out 5 rational numbers in between 9 by 15 and 10 by 15. I see orally देखेगा तो I can only say it is 9.5 by 15 or something. For that, the shortcut is whenever you want to find 5 rational numbers, you multiply the denominator with one more, that is 6. If you want to find 8 rational numbers, multiply by 9. If you want to find 11 rational numbers, multiply by 12. I want to find 5 rational numbers, I will multiply by 6. No book will tell you this. Okay? This is simple method. You want to find out 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Just take the LCM, make the denominators equal. You will get 2 numbers. If you can find 5 rational numbers between these two, well and good. But if you find it difficult to find 5 rational numbers between 9 by 15 and 10 by 15, the simple procedure is either 5 मांगा 6 से multiply करो. Okay? So 9 by 15 is nothing but 9 6 are 15 6 are, that is how much? 54 by 90. Similarly here 10 by 15 is my number. Okay? 2 by 3 को 10 by 15 क्या denominator equal करके 10 by 15 is my number. I am multiplying by 6 because I am asked 5. Okay? How much it is? 60 by 90. अभी तो easy हो गया. See, 54 by 90 and 60 by 90. इसके बीच में I want 5 numbers. कितना easy हो गया? 54 के बाद बच्चे लोग भी कर देगा ये. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Upon 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. So this is your answer. Understood? तो क्या करना है? Whenever you are asked to find 5 rational numbers, multiply the denominator of the rational number with 6. एक number ज़्यादा से multiply करो, whatever you want you can find out. Now, one more sum we will do on that, then you will be able to do all the sums. See, insert 7 rational numbers between 2 and 3. I want to insert 7 rational numbers between 2 and 3. I will take the rational numbers as 2. Denominator कुछ नहीं मतलब क्या रहेगा? It is deemed as 1. Okay? 3. Denominator कुछ नहीं, it is 3 by 1. Always denominator कुछ भी नहीं दिया तो it is divided by 1. Now 2 by 1 or 3 by 1 में 7 rational number very difficult. What you will do? According to my this thing logic idea is multiply by 8. So I can multiply by 8. So this will become 16. This will become 24. 16 और 24 का बीच में I can easily find 7 rational number. और एक idea देते तुम लोग को, whenever you get such numbers now 1, 10 and all, just multiply by 10. Here also you multiply by 10. But what numbers you are getting? See, there is no rule. You can, to make the denominators equal, you can multiply by any number. The rational numbers will not change. लेकिन एक ही condition है, whatever you give to the denominator, give it to the numerator. Okay? Otherwise the number will change. Now this is 20 by 10. 20 by 10 is nothing but this 2. Okay? This is 30 by 10. 30 by 10 is nothing but this 3. Now insert as many numbers you want. 20 by 10, 21 by 10, 22 by 10, 23 by 10. है ना easy? That's all. So I think I have covered all the sums, all the properties and sums pertaining to rational numbers. Now only word problems remains. ठीक है? Only word problem remains. That we will do in the next lecture.